motherboard replacement, and deep cleaning on Acer Aspire E5-475 laptop. Thank you, Sir Rain, for trusting PETIT Solutions. The Acer Aspire E5-475 laptop underwent a full motherboard replacement and deep cleaning service to restore its functionality, ensure system stability, and improve long-term reliability. The original motherboard had developed faults that caused operational issues and system instability, making replacement necessary to bring the laptop back to proper working condition. The procedure began with the careful disassembly of the laptop to safely access and remove the defective motherboard. A brand new, model-compatible replacement motherboard was then installed, with all connectors, ports, and internal components reattached securely. After installation, the system was tested to confirm proper hardware recognition, stable booting, and full operational functionality across all components. Alongside the replacement, a comprehensive deep cleaning service was performed to optimize the laptop's cooling system and protect its hardware. Dust and debris that had accumulated in the fan assembly, vents, and heatsink were removed to restore airflow. The CPU and GPU received fresh, high-quality thermal paste to improve heat transfer and maintain lower operating temperatures during heavy workloads. After reassembly, the laptop was subjected to thorough performance and stability testing. The results confirmed that the new motherboard functioned correctly, system performance was stable, and internal temperatures were significantly reduced thanks to the deep cleaning and thermal paste application. In conclusion, the motherboard replacement and deep cleaning successfully revitalized the Acer Aspire E5-475 laptop. The device is now operating with restored stability, improved cooling efficiency, and extended hardware lifespan, ensuring reliable performance for both daily use and demanding applications. Motherboard replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.